Hi, I'm Andrea from the Sapphire Theater Company, and I'm here to promote our monthly event, Virtual Open Mic Night on our virtual stage. These take place the first Thursday of every month at 7 p.m., streaming live on Facebook or on our YouTube page. And tonight I have a cocktail tutorial for you. If you are looking for a safe way to stay home and yet still support the arts, I encourage you to tune in with me and maybe even make yourself a cocktail and make it like a real virtual night out. So tonight I'm making the Moscow Mule. The Moscow Mule is made with vodka, ginger beer. I made my own using ginger syrup and soda water. Lime juice, add some fresh lime wedges for garnish. A shaker of ice is optional, and a glass of ice. Now, I have the traditional Moscow Mule copper mug here, and I would love to tell you how great a Moscow Mule tastes in one of these copper mugs. I would love to tell you that, but I can't because it's actually a myth. Moscow Mules were invented in America, that's why I'm using American vodka today, by a group of people who had trouble selling copper, had trouble selling vodka, so they came together and created this cocktail that can be served in a copper mug. Now, it tastes just as good if you don't have the copper mugs in a regular glass full of ice. So for the Moscow Mule, you'll need 2 shots per serving of vodka and then 1 shot per serving of fresh lime juice. I'm adding both of these things to my cocktail shaker, and then I'm going to just shake it up to chill them. Again, you can just mix this in the glass if you don't have a cocktail shaker. I'm dividing between 2 of my mugs, and then I fill the mug with ginger beer. Now, if you know any artists who would like to promote their upcoming gigs, maybe some of their content on their website, we would love to have them on our virtual stage and help them promote those things. Daniel Martin is our host. He is the best host in Indianapolis. And you can email stcopenmic@gmail.com. Our producer, Nick Carpenter, and Daniel Martin will take care of you. I hope you will join me in the audience the first Thursday of every month at 7 p.m. on Facebook Live or streaming on our YouTube channel. Join me in a cold, refreshing Moscow Mule. Hope to see you then. Delicious. Cheers.